Alam mo ba na ang pag-apak mo na nakayapak sa lupa ay parang pagsaksak ng charger sa sarili mong katawan? At ang pagyakap sa puno ay hindi lang drama, ito ay science? Oo, totoo. Kapag ikaw ay nakayapak sa lupa at damuhan, may tinatawag na grounding o earthing na nangyayari.
Even if you have your shoes on, as soon as you touch the tree, the negative ions are conducted into your body. You don't feel it because it's energy. But every cell in your body gets the benefit of negative ions immediately as soon as you touch the tree. But because we don't feel anything, we think nothing is happening. But that's not true. Your body gets an immediate infusion. Your body is made up of 50 trillion cells. So each of your cells is benefiting from the negative energy that's being conducted from the tree roots up the bark into your body through your hand immediately. If you get a chance, well, why wouldn't you get a double effect? Touch the earth with your bare feet. You get even more negative ions.
Ang mga positive ions ay galing sa mga bagay na positive sa ating buhay. Halimbawa, cellphone, computer, TV, wifi, air pollution at LED lights. Pero sa katawan, negative ang epekto. Kaya, kung feeling mo lagi kang pagod, anxious, lutang, o parang lowbat, baka hindi gadget ang kailangan mo. Baka kailangan mo lang humawak ng puno, humiga sa damuhan. Minsan pala ang tunay na self-care, hindi sa loob ng spa, kundi sa labas at sa likod ng bahay, sa ilalim ng puno. Balik sa lupa, recharge sa kalikasan.